Hey friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're back here talking about Vinco Ventures, BBIG ticker for that stock. So Vinco Ventures, man, I'm like a genie in a bottle here. I called it. So I said today was probably going to be a good day in the market because we were seeing crypto start to, bounce back here, and crypto's still bouncing back. Well, the market, we didn't have it wasn't like a record day, but it came back a little bit. Maybe it didn't really come back. Maybe we just didn't lose anymore. Maybe this is the new norm at this point, but you get what I'm saying here. So Vinco Ventures, I think today it's probably going to hit a 230, 240. We just barely hit a 226 today. So that was pretty much the high for today. Actually, it did hit a 227 at one point, but that was really it. We never hit a 230, especially 240 did not happen. Volume, people were not there. In a lot of the market, we had a hot start around 10:30 to 11 o'clock. A little bit of sell-off. Crypto was coming in pretty heavy at that time too, but the stock market and crypto market were pretty much following suit. They were like in a narrow race with each other. And then towards the end of the day, a lot of things sold off. Just nothing really held up. So tomorrow may not be good here. Unless we're seeing a pitch and a swing here be set up. I'm not sure. This market is so hard to read right now. But here's what I want to talk about. So today, this is crazy. We have not seen anything like this in a while. So obviously these are just people talking, but I thought it's pretty interesting to talk about because an article came out today about Vinco Ventures, kind of breaking down what's going on, the past of it, what they have done, and it was a positive article. It was actually a positive article. This is rare for us. We're not used to getting positive news with Vinco Ventures because Vinco Ventures, whether you know or not, if you see what's going on here, Vinco Ventures has become a meme stock. It has become a YouTube stock. And that's why I take so much heat for saying things with it, because I'm trying to be honest with you guys. And obviously, I don't watch other people on YouTube, but I know Vinco Ventures, it's such clickbait right now where other people are saying, this is going to blow up, it's going to $40 to $100, and people keep buying and they keep getting lied to. Now, could we see a big push on Vinco Ventures here? Absolutely. We've seen that in the past. Vinco Ventures does not shy away from exploding on top of some good news. And we're expecting good news to come in here soon. So with this article, the reason why I was so excited about it, because it was like, okay, finally, like a good article. Good articles do really good for stocks. And Vinco Ventures, it likes good news. So the guy's not like trying to sell you on Vinco Ventures where he's telling you to buy it, but he is saying, hey, look, you might want to hold on to this thing. And that's kind of what I've been saying here all along. Like, listen, I'm not saying this is going to be the next Tesla or an Apple. I'm just saying, hey, this company's got a lot going on here. They've got a lot of pokers in the fire here. And they're acquiring some other pretty big companies. Not to mention, they're starting some pretty big companies. And whether you like it or not, this is a growth stock. This is not a company that's been like, we've made it to the top. They're still growing. They're still trying to get somewhere, and that's what a lot of people are not seeing. They don't seem to understand that. You're not investing in Apple here. Apple's made it. They're good. You're buying Apple just so 5 years from now you can be involved in another stock split with them. They made it. They're good. Vinco Ventures is the complete opposite. We're here for the long term, or if we can get another pop here going, because there's a lot of people betting against it with contracts and all that stuff. So today, I'm not going to go over a chart. A lot of people get mad when I don't go over a candlestick chart. I really think right now more than not, candlestick charts are very good and they do tell you a lot. They really do. But what we need right now with every stock in BBIG, we need good news. We need something with the overall market to continue to rally up here. And I say continue very slightly. I mean, we just need no more bad days. We need to start moving up here a little bit. We need to put a little more of the dirt back in the hole here to build ourselves back up. And listen, I'm not saying the market's coming back here. I still think we got a long ways to go, and I think we're going to take more devastation here. But what I am saying is that Vinco Ventures is staying together here. It's beating a lot of people's analyst thoughts on it, especially a lot of these big analysts. This thing should have been at a 50-cent range by now, as much as they have been destroying it and ripping it apart. But Vinco Ventures keeps coming back here. So obviously we've got the Cryptide spin-off company still happening here. There's still news that's going to be coming out here with that. We've got the next quarterlies coming out here very soon towards the end of this month. I still think, and I'm going to throw my neck out there, that I still think Vinco Ventures is going to be moving up. And if we do see Vinco Ventures release all of this news, the crypti, the quarterlies, towards the end of this month here, June, maybe July 1st, who knows, you know, they delay stuff all the time, we should see Vinco Ventures walk up here to a pretty nice little prize. And I'm not saying like it's going to be, you know, $20, $40. I'm saying we're talking organic move up here. So I'm talking like 40, 50% move up off of pure news. So friends, this was the first day back in the market. It's really hard to judge what is going to happen tomorrow. Today wasn't like a hot day, but I think it was just a hot day in the sense of we're not used to having that good of days, and we haven't had a real good day in the market in the past few weeks. So tomorrow could be a bloodbath. So if you're buying Vinco Ventures still here, probably first thing in the morning, this thing will take a huge dip. And then we're just going to see where this market goes. I think it's going to follow the market until it gets its own news out here with quarterlies and the you know, the spinoff company situation here. But if you're grabbing this at a 2.5, 2.10, I really do think you're safe for what's coming here towards the end of the month. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future of yours. I really do wish everyone the best of luck. Guys, take care. I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.